Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on API management with Apigee detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the fundamentals of API management. Identify the specific needs of your organization regarding API usage. Assess your current API traffic and analyze performance metrics. Evaluate the costs associated with your existing API management solutions. Familiarize yourself with Apigee's pricing structure and potential savings. Consider employing Apigee's pay-as-you-go model to optimize costs based on usage. Explore Apigee's free trial option to test its features without immediate investment. Leverage Apigee's analytics tools to monitor API performance and identify inefficiencies. Implement caching strategies offered by Apigee to reduce backend load and response times. Utilize Apigee's developer portal to foster community engagement and reduce support costs. Explore the possibility of using Apigee's built-in security features to lower the risk of costly breaches. Combine API analytics with automated scaling to manage traffic spikes effectively. Take advantage of Apigee's integration with CI/CD tools for seamless deployment. Consider consolidating multiple APIs into a single, more manageable endpoint to reduce complexity. Utilize Apigee's API versioning capabilities to maintain service continuity while reducing maintenance overhead. Regularly review usage patterns to identify underutilized APIs that can be deprecated. Engage your development team in training sessions to maximize the potential of Apigee's features. Document internal best practices for API management to streamline processes and reduce redundancy. Stay updated on Apigee updates and new features that could further optimize costs. By following these steps, you can effectively save on API management using Apigee while maximizing your operational efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.